At the beginning of a new game of Risk, this is how your board should look. Here you can see we have 3 players who have already separated their pieces out into infantry, cavalry, and cannoneers. At the bottom of the board, you have the Risk country cards and the dice that will be used to play the game. At the beginning of the game, these country cards will be shuffled and dealt face down to each player. They have equal sized decks in front of them right now. And this is the system that the game uses to have you set up your beginning territories in a fair and equal way. With each player having their face down country cards, they'll begin sorting out the board by placing one army in each country that matches a country card in their hand. If that country card has 1 star, 1 infantryman is placed, and if that country card has 2 stars, 2 infantrymen are placed. This is how your board should look at the beginning of a new game of Risk. As you can see, the pieces are separated out so that nobody has control of any one continent at the beginning of the game. It's unlikely that that happens, but it is possible. Before a new game is begun, players will roll 1 dice to determine who goes first. In this case, green will be the first player as they've rolled the highest dice of the 3. After green plays, blue will go, followed by yellow. At the beginning of this game, green gets to place 3 armies anywhere on the board they would like to, and 1 additional army. 3 armies are always available to each player at the beginning of their turn, and in this case, because of the number of territories controlled by green, they get an additional army, giving them a total of 4 armies to place on the board anywhere they would like. Green has decided to attack blue, moving from Central America to the western United States. Green will be using 4 armies to attack the 1 army of blue, and as you can see, green has left 1 army behind in Central America to defend the territory they already own. In this particular roll, green has defeated blue by rolling a 6 against the 2 that blue defended with. After defeating blue, green moves all 4 of their attacking armies into western United States, leaving 1 behind to continue defending Central America. In this particular case, green can no longer attack as the 4 armies on the board here are completely surrounded by their own color armies. There's nobody left for green to attack. The final 2 steps of green's turn is to reposition any armies they might like to reposition and draw 1 country card from the stack face down. Green has opted to reposition 3 of their attacking armies back into Central America to attack against a potential invasion from Venezuela by yellow. As you can see, green made 1 move with 3 armies going across a border that they share with their own color. At the end of green's turn, blue would follow the same steps, taking 3 infantrymen as their base number of armies at the beginning of their turn, counting the total number of territories they own, gaining any bonuses as shown up here in the territories chart at the top of the map, and then placing their armies anywhere on the board that they already own. After blue's turn is completed, it would be yellow's turn, and then that would take us back around to the green player.